Here's Oliver in the big snowstorm of October. I guess it started at what, the 10th, 11th, and 12th?
Yep.
And see,
2008.
started shoveling the driveway, so I don't know, maybe about a foot, but it's hard telling if it's a drift or no. It's a lot. What do you think, Oliver? Did you have fun snow?
Hi.
Oliver, a little bundle. We skinned a purple deer to get in this outfit. There's Pup Dog swimming in the snow. We'll see if we can follow him a little bit. Yep. He's on the trail. His own trail, but he doesn't know that. Hey, puppy. Come here, buddy. Come here. Ah, there we go. Woo, yeah. What do you think, Oliver? Good snow? Pretty fun stuff. I already got it piled up. Haven't even gotten to the poor little cars yet. That'll be a whole nother foot of snow off of those. Okay. What do you think, puppy dog?